Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to earn $40, $70, or even up to $200 every single day just typing words. This is a brand new strategy. You don't need any skill and you don't need any experience to do this. The best part about this method is that this is 100% free and you don't have to pay any money to do this. And this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can use today's method and start making money online. Before we start it, this is Make Money Mindset, teaching you another easy and free to use Make Money online method. If you want to learn more strategies how to earn money online fast, subscribe and check out some of my other tutorials. As a result, whenever I come up with a new and innovative way to make money online, you'll be the first to know. As a result, make the most money. To earn this 100% passive income over and over, all you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the instructions in this tutorial. So let's get started. Alright, the website I would like to show you in this Make Money online tutorial is called Fiverr.com. For those who don't know, Fiverr is a free-to-use freelancing service where freelancers can post their job offers, get hired by employers, companies, and entrepreneurs, and get paid for each job they finish or service they deliver. Did you know that you can easily make money by typing words, put those words in short, easy-made videos, and sell those videos for $40, $70, or even over $200? And all of that without using any video editor or having skills in professional writing? Yes, this is possible. And people are actually making decent amounts of money from it every single day. Do you want proof? Let me show you some example. Simply go over to Fiverr.com and search for something like YouTube channel intro, for example. So let's see some example. I will animate your custom YouTube intro or outro. Let me watch the preview of his artwork. And what do we see? This guy creates simple, short YouTube intros that consist of one single word, and in addition a simple animation in the background. You see? No fancy editing tricks, no Hollywood-like special effects, just a single word with a simple animation. And this guy sells his intros for more than $350. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can replicate this method and create similar YouTube intros or outros just by typing in single words. So, let's say you produce 2 of those short videos per day. That would make $350. That multiplied by 2, making in total $700 per day. Now, of course, you can set a lower price and attract your potential customers' attention by taking, let's say, $30 per intro you create. As you can see, intro like this one here consist also mainly of one single word with a short and plain animation in the background. If you make 3 of those per day, you would earn somehow around $90 in total per day. Alright guys, to create short, simple YouTube intros like that, I want you to go over to a website called Canva.com. Before going to the next step, I'm curious as to where my viewers come from. So please tell me your country in the comments section so that I can make videos that everyone can benefit from. Now back to the video. You can sign up there for free, so if you haven't done it yet, now it's the time. Now, once you're logged in there, choose Video on the main screen and here, again, choose YouTube Video now on the next screen. Head over to the left-hand side and pick a nice, cool-looking template for your short video. You can choose from thousands of different templates you can use for your intro. For the sake of this tutorial, let's say you want to create an intro for a gaming channel on YouTube. So most of the videos that are available here on Canva are free to use. Some are paid though. Once you get your first gigs on Fiverr and other freelancing websites and earn your first commissions, you can reinvest some of that and purchase the premium version of Canva. It costs $6 a month and gives you access to the entire content here, including the best and most professionally made videos, templates, elements, photos, and so on and so forth. Okay, let me find a template that suits the gaming niche. For example, this one here, click on it, and now The only thing you need to do is to type a word, for example, the name of your customer's channel here. Let me do that for example purposes. Driver Uncle channel, you can change the font, the size of the font, the alignment, and you can also swap some elements and customize the entire animation. Simply go over to Elements here on the left-hand side. Choose Graphics, search for, let's say, gaming-related graphics, and pick a graphic you like to give your intro video a bit more of your personal touch. You can always customize the animation. Play around with it as much as you like. And once you're content with everything, watch the preview. Click on Download here in the top right corner to save your intro on your computer. And as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, you don't need any editing skills or experience to do this. For your customers and to resell them on websites, such as Fiverr.com for decent amounts of money. Now, I would recommend you to add also some more free-to-use online video editors to your portfolio. Canva is great, but if you add also websites such as renderforest.com or create.vista.com to your list of video editors, you can use their content and video templates as well for your projects and create even more unique, outstanding YouTube intros for your customers, and as a result, make even more money with this method. Okay, the last step will be to create accounts on those freelancer websites and post your job offers there to attract as many potential customers as possible. Now, if it comes to creating an account on Fiverr, you can easily sign up there for free with either your Apple, Facebook, or Gmail account to increase your chances of getting more job offers and, in the end, of making more money with this method. I would strongly recommend you to create accounts on other smaller and less known freelancing websites, such as peopleperhour.com or upwork.com. The reason for this is simple. Posting your gigs on Fiverr is great. Due to the huge popularity of this service, though, you can expect to have a lot of competitors there. For example, if you search for YouTube intro, on Fiverr you get over 6,000 results, meaning you have to compete against 6,000 competitors if you want to sell your video creating skills there. But if you do the same on one of the alternative services mentioned before, you can expect to have a significantly smaller competition on peopleperhour.com, for example. So the chances of being spotted by a potential customer here on peopleperhour or upwork.com are definitely higher than on Fiverr. All right, that's exactly how you make money from typing words. I really hope you did get some value out of this video. And now, if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the video description below to discover the best 3 apps that pay you real money, which are the simplest ways to make free PayPal money online this year 2022, which anyone, even without previous experience, can do. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel Make Money Mindset and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.